Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the distribution of sleep stages. The distribution of the sleep stages in the young adults. So to begin with, the NREM1. So what is this NREM1? The NREM1, the percentage of the sleep time is going to be 5%. So this is going to be very minimal. Then we look at the NREM2. The NREM2, it amounts to the maximum, that is about 50 to 60%. Then looking at the 3 and 4. 3 and 4, it amounts to about 20%. And then lastly, the REM sleep. This amounts to about 20 to 25%. This is the REM sleep. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.